Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to put pictures in TikTok comments. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to do this, all you gotta do is simply tap open your TikTok. So once you open your TikTok, simply open your comment section as well and go to your add comments option. So once you're here, if you have seen people posting photos instead of text, they might be doing it by tapping any comment or TikTok video and selecting photos. Simply tapping on photos and select a photo, then it will be posted as a comment in your original post. However, not everyone can do this. Commenting with photo is only available in some regions and only for certain devices. So to see if you can post pictures on comment or not, simply tap on the comment field on the video and look for the photo icon. So if you don't see that, like me, as you can see, I cannot see the photo option, which means that I am still not in the particular region that allows this feature. So if you have this feature, then you can simply find a photo like image which you can press on and post photos on your TikTok. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.